How to change playback setting in Spotify. So first you need is to you have to open up your Spotify application here. So first of all you have to open up your Spotify application, then you have to go for the setting of the Spotify application. So go for the setting here. Once you are on your setting and privacy, and once you are on your setting here, you can see the playback. You have to simply tap on the playback, and after that you need to scroll down a little bit and come to the playback. And now you can see many option here. So you have in your playback settings. So first option is offline mode. So you have to just turn off the offline mode here. So go and search for the offline mode and you have to just turn off the offline mode here. So if there is no any offline mode, then you can simply skip that. Also you can go for your mono audio here and you have to simply enable this and go for the autoplay option. So you have to disable these all listening controls here. And with the help of this simple step, you can change the audio playback quality in your Spotify. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.